Hello and welcome to my channel. In this first series of videos I will be building a selection of Japanese legends from the 90s, starting with the MX5. Let's begin with the unboxing. The body mould is really nice. The panel lines are deep, so no need to scrap them out. There is a little flashing left over from the moulding process, as is with all model kits, but this can be removed easily with some sanding. Next we have the bulk of the car's interior and lower chassis components. The wheels that come with this kit are stunning, as you can see. I'm not sure if I'll paint them or just leave them the colour they came in. The clear parts consist of windscreen, head and tail lights and hardtop, if you prefer to build the model that way. I'll be leaving the roof off this build so you can see more of the interior. The tyres are made of a soft rubber and have nice detailed tread and some branding on the tyre wall. Next we have the TAMIYA colour reference card, although they don't include the TS codes for the spray cans, which I'll be using on this model. The manual is fairly straightforward and contains all of the information you need to complete the build. Moving on to the body prep, I'm using some TAMIYA 600 grit sanding sponge to remove any of the flash left over from the moulding process. It's a good idea to do this in a well-lit area or directly under a light so you don't miss any, as they are hard to see. I'm taking extra care around some of the parts such as the roof anchors, door handles and front indicators, as these are moulded directly into the body itself. I don't want to sacrifice any of the detail while sanding the body smooth. After the mould lines were removed, I lightly sanded the whole body ready for painting. This gives the paint a nice surface to bite onto. And there we have it, one body prepared for painting. Links to all the equipment used can be found in the description. Any questions you have, pop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Keep an eye out for the next video where I'll show the painting process. If you'd like to keep up with the build in real time, join me on Instagram @ScaleModelGeek. You can also help support the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.